Hey guys, we're back with another video. So we're going to be looking at how the Blizzard Sorc can melt the Dclone. So we got pretty standard build, Nightwing with our Facet in it, Chains of Honor, Hodo, Storm Shield with an Eld for the block rate, Mara's, Res Rings, T-Gods, Marowaks for the Bone Prison, and Trangs for the FCR and Cold Resist. Cold GCs and Rupture for the Sunder, Annie, Torch, Res Charms. So we pop. We of course have all our stuff into Blizzard as well as the synergies. One into Warmth, one into TP, one into Static. Probably won't even need to worry about staticking him though. But we will find that, prison him, static some, and then we just start popping Blizzy. Now this would go faster if I remembered to stick my infinity on my Merc, but this will do, honestly. And just like that, he'd be dead. So we'll go back and pop our Annie back in the stash and see what we got here. And golly, there's a lot of Dclones popping today. Now, since we don't run a tome in our inventory, we'll get Kane to identify it. Give me the luck, old man. What do we got? 13, 11, 9. Could be better, could be worse. And if you guys need help dropping your clones, just let me know. I'm more than happy to help out. And past that, like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day.